Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at number stressing. How do we stress a number word? How do we stress a number that is written in words? And how to also stress bisyllabic words, words that contain two syllables. So let's look at this. Number stressing. Whenever you have a number in this form, like you have 15, we have 16, we have 19. Any number, teen, that has teen, the teen numbers, you always stress them on the second syllable. So now we have 15. You can see the one in capital letter is the stressed syllable. So this is a two-syllable word or bisyllabic word. 15. The stress has to be on the teen. Anytime you have number words that have teen with them, make sure that the stress is on teen. With that, any question like this that comes out in JAM or WAEC, you're sure to get them. So we have 16, 19, 13. It has to be on the teen. That is where the stress is. But then, for numbers in tens like 60, 70, here we're talking about teens, 16, 17. But here we have 70. That's 7 tens. Here you have 40. That is 4 tens. Tens into 4. Here you have 30. So for words like this, the stress is on the first syllable. You can see as I've written them: 70, 40, 30, 30, 40, 70, 60. So the stress is on the first syllable for words, number words like this. So with this covered, every number word that you see in stress in your JAM or WAEC English, you should be able to get the correct answer. When it is the teen words, the stress is on the second syllable. But when it is the T word number words, the stress is on the first syllable. Now let's look at some bisyllabic words that you can either that you have to stress on the second syllables and the ones you have to stress on the first syllables. So let's look at them. So category 3, this is category 2. In the previous classes, we looked at category 1. We looked at what stress is all about. We also looked at what syllable is all about. So today we are looking at category 2 and 3. So now let's look at category 3 or category 3. Now, if you have a bisyllabic word simply means words that have two syllables. So if you have bisyllabic words, there are some where you stress on the first syllable, and there are some that you stress on the second syllable. So words that you stress on the first syllables are words like vomit, candle, answer, farmer, factor, gather, magic. So all these you stress on the first syllable. Vo, that's where the stress is. So this should be written as V-O, vo, me, because the stress is on the first syllable. Vo, me. Ka-ro, ka-ro. So the stress is on this first syllable. Answer, 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 answer. Farmer, factor, factor. So the stress is on the first syllable. Gather, magic. All these words, for all these words, the stress is on the first syllable. But for words like this, the stress is on the second syllable. We have remit, for, about, go, replay. So for here, the stress is on the second syllable. So you have to know how to get around these. Now, in taking such decision or in abiding by such rules as we did here, you have to take note of the vowel sound. You see, vowel sound like this, is actually, you pronounce them, the sound is not conspicuous. Factor. You understand? So whenever you find out that the sound is not very conspicuous, then you know that that very syllable shouldn't be the one with the stress. But the one that the sound is very clear, like the R in this factor is very clear. So that is where the stress is. So you have to know about this. So take a look at some words where some bisyllabic words where the stress has to be on the first syllables and the one that it has to be on the second syllables. Very, very important. So that is where we're going to be stopping today. Number stressing, very, very important, and bisyllabic words with stress on the first syllable and the ones with the stress on the second syllable.